Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your DREAME TV isn't recognizing your USB flash drive. So first of all, make sure that your USB flash drive is properly formatted. So before you insert it into your TV or after you insert it into your TV, insert it into your PC first, and then make sure that your PC sees it. And if it does, then first of all we're gonna have to back up all the important data from this USB flash drive on this PC. So let's quickly do it. And then we're gonna have to format this USB flash drive and make sure that we use the proper file system format. So right click your USB flash drive and then select format, then select exFAT file system here, and make sure the quick format is also enabled, then click start, then OK. Then once the format is completed, we can get the data back on our USB flash drive and then safely eject it from the computer and insert it into our TV instead. And now, before inserting the USB flash drive into the TV, let's first press the gear button on the remote control, then go to all settings. Then here we're gonna have to go to system, then in system menu scroll down to storage. Okay, right now let's insert our USB flash drive into one of the available USB ports on the back side of the TV. You can use any of them, no matter which USB version your USB flash drive is. Just let me quickly locate them. I'm not sure if I'm using the right side. Okay, just give me a moment to insert. And once you insert your USB flash drive into your TV, you should see it in the removable storage. Now, if you still cannot, if your TV doesn't switch automatically to your media device, then you should not be searching for it in the sources, but instead in your apps find this Multimedia Player. It's a pre-installed app on your TV, so you should definitely find it here. Just open it, and here you'll be able to find all the video and or music files stored on your USB flash drive. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.